Hello, Sarah. Lovely to see you.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, great. And you, of course, are the CRM expert behind JCM Business Solutions, aren't you?
I am.
Yeah, brilliant.
Indeed.
And you also recently attended our workshop on influence and persuasion.
Yeah.
How did you find it?
Really, really good. Such a good day. Really clear and easy flowing. It makes you realise the things that you're already doing in your day-to-day life. Just it makes you apply them in a different way. Yeah, and just the way that it comes across with the influence of will as well made it a really fun day.
Absolutely excellent. Will is absolutely brilliant with his demonstration.
Blows my mind.
I know it does for everybody. And did you find it useful?
Yeah, really did. It's made me change a lot of the things that I do already. Every single time I write an email, I stop and think, like, hold on, what's the best way of wording this? So yeah, definitely applied an awful lot of what I've learned throughout the day. Really good.
Oh, absolutely splendid. So I'm going to be persuaded by all your emails
You
in
will.
future.
I've got your hook, line and sinker.
I'm going to look forward to those. Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.